Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a bucket of candy to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this yummy candy, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of our pumpkin bucket. So I'm going to give myself a point right here, come right across since I'm drawing pretty big to about right here. This is how wide I want my bucket to be. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a big curve all the way across. There. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this curve down for our pumpkin bucket, and same thing over here. And let's bring it down a little bit more to about right here, rounding it off, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom with a slightly flatter curve and connect. There. And then from there, let's see here, where should we start? Let's come back and come over in this area. We're going to draw a big circle. First, I'm draw a cute eyes to bring this bucket to life. There's just so many areas I can start this drawing. I'm kind of getting ahead with myself because it's so cute and I love this drawing so much, and so I really hope this inspires you. Okay, so now I have the two circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And now that we have that in, let's make this a little bit wider. That's the nice thing about draw so cute eyes. They're easy to fix. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the top of each eye, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And let's give our bucket here a cute, sweet smile. So I'm just going to go slightly upwards and cap it off. Should we leave it at that? Okay, let's see. Because if you want... You know what? Okay, let's bring this down. Make it happier. But I did like that smile, so we'll see. And then put a little tongue right in here and then shade this part in. There, much happier now, right? And then from there, let's give some details right here in our bucket. I'm just going to add these curves. So one right in the center, and then another one right here, just to give our bucket, because it is a pumpkin, some texture. There at the bottom. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw our candy corn, the star of the show, right? So let's come about right here, nice and center and big. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. From there, I'm going to go up to draw the top of this candy corn, and about right here, round it off. And come right back down. Make it a little bit sharper. There. And then now that we have that in, let's bring it to life. So our first layer, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve right here. And then about right here, we're going to draw another curve. And then in this area right here, let's put in some silly eyes, so just a little dot, and here as well. And then a big smirk smile, and cap it off. Make it a little bit bigger. And then a little curve on top of for each eye. And then I thought it'd be cute to add some hands, so say about right here. Curve in, do the same thing on the other side, curve in, and then right here, let's make a heart with the hands. Now that we're done with the candy corn, let's come right here and I'm going to add a little speech bubble just to make it extra cute. A nice big speech bubble right here. And I'll draw a little ghost in there. Not sure if it makes sense, but I just wanted to draw a little ghost. It's our candy corn saying boo. Okay, so I'm just drawing this little curve with a little tail. And let's come right here, and once again with these two little dot eyes. And then a dot for the mouth. Ooh, right? And then let's add a heart right here, of course. And we can put a little hand this way and this way as well. There, so silly. Now that we have this done, let's go ahead and draw the handle. So I'm going to come about right here and we're going to go all the way around. So nice big handle, just going to go up and around, nice and high. That's why I needed to draw the speech bubble first. So this is our center, this is going to be our highest point, and then we're going to start to come down. So just imagine it coming through. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw the handle first. There, nice big curve, and I'll come in here and thicken this up real quick. So I really hope you cuties have been enjoying all the Halloween art that I've been doing for you lately. There's just so much to draw and it's just so much fun, and I really hope I've been inspiring you. Halloween is the only time I get to draw some spooky characters, right? And trying to make them a little bit cuter. Okay, so I got a nice thick handle in, and then in this area, let's fill it up with some candy. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to just start to draw these shapes, and then at the end of every shape, I'm just going to add a little zigzag area, and give it some stripes. I can fit in a little, let's see here, one in the back. Maybe we can pop in a lollipop right here. It's a little stick. Go up with a big circle, and we can twirl right there, and we can put in some more. I'll just put in this random shape in the back just to fill up the space. So right here we can do the same thing, maybe a nice big chocolate ball. Some more of this candy. We just want to fill in the space, like I said. So whatever you can think of. And maybe another one here. And maybe another big lollipop in the back. There, those big rainbow ones. Okay, and so then that is pretty much it for the top. At the bottom, we can add even more candy if you like. So let's say about right here. There's so much candy, a lot of it has dropped down. So I'm gonna put a heart on this one. And a little Jolly Rancher. End right there, and let's see, some over here. And one big one over here. Whatever you can think of. And a smaller one. And that is pretty much it. And I'll just come in here and thicken this part up just to anchor everything a little bit better. And my pumpkin. I really hope you have fun drawing this with me and coloring it and bringing it to life. I'll just pop this out right here at the bottom. There, that is pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, and like I said, I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and that inspires you to draw this to celebrate Halloween. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw Stay Cute videos. See you later.